The fate of an Iowa County mother and daughter accused in the death of a teenager in their care is now in the hands of the jury.
Jurors received the case of Laurie and Alexis-Barry just after noon today. The prosecution and defense made their closing arguments following a week-long trial.
Our Brady Mallory joins us now with a recap of the case and what jury members are considering. Brady?
Well, the two face a felony charge of first-degree reckless homicide as a party to a crime in the death of 13-year-old Selah-Kaden, who was living in the Barry home when she died in 2018. A forensic pathologist ruled Kaden died from suffocation and a pattern beating with blunt force, and also believed more than one person was involved in her death. Kaden's parents sent her to live in Mineral Point with the Barrys due to behavioral problems at home. The Barrys say Kaden had been fake fainting as part of her acting out and had been intentionally falling down the stairs. They said on the day Kaden had died, they thought she was again faking an injury. But prosecutors argued that that was not consistent with the injuries Kaden suffered. The defense for the Barrys argued prosecution did not prove the Barrys caused Kaden's death.
Selah had issues with food, with tantrums, with lying and stealing, all of which was expected at the time she came to live with the Barrys. What she did not have was a history of self-injury.
But there's nothing, even in Dr. Steer's testimony, that tells you beyond a reasonable doubt that those were abusive injuries. He can't even tell you to what percentage he thinks he's right. I guess at the end I got him to agree it was 51%. 51% really isn't close to beyond a reasonable doubt.
We will update you when the jury reaches a verdict in this case. We have an in-depth look at the case on our website, channel3000.com.